Morning, Jen. I have your file open here, and I just want to show you, I don't quite understand how you entered the dates, but they're not as numbers. So for example, if I click here, I see that you have 8/18/2017. But if I come up here to clear formats, nothing happens. And if you have a date in there, a real date, this should be formatted as a regular number. So I'm just going to click undo to undo that. So the way I can see fixing this is you have 8/18/2017. If you just click in the formula to edit that date and then hit enter, notice that it might automatically widen the cell. And now when I come up here and I go clear formats, you can see that it's 42,965 days since January 1st, 1900. And that's how a date should be. So if I now just come up here to this, and again, I'm just going to click in there and hit enter. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Now when I select both of these and use the fill handle to copy it down, it fills in the series. So I'm confused about how you entered those dates. But again, if I just click here, I'm clicking in the formula bar to edit it. I just hit enter. Now I have a date. I'm going to do this same thing with the next cell. I have a date. I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to use my fill handle to copy it down. Hope this helps, Jen.